Hello everyone, welcome to our podcast. In this podcast, maybe we want to explain or telling about experience as an urban planning student. Before we go to the podcast or conversation, maybe I will introduce myself. My name is Adhan Syarif Saputra.
My name is Madha Santosa.
And my name is Raffi Rizkyantara.
Okay, let's start the podcast or conversation. I have a first question for Mada and Raffi. When did you know about urban planning student?
First,
Maybe for me, I know urban planning when I was graduate from my senior high school, and then I want to continue in the campus, and I want to fund any program study, and I found this urban planning in the technique facultas.
How about you?
I learned information of urban planning is to internet and my friend in my high school. Yes, it's my answer. And you?
Maybe for me, if about when I know about urban planning, maybe after I am graduate from senior high school.
Yeah.
After I graduate, first time I don't want to continue my study. I have a plan to work, but my family recommended me to continue my study. So I search, I search the recommendation of campus in Central Java, especially or in Jogja. And first I not to register in Amikom Yogyakarta, but I register in there are so many university like UNY, UGM, and etc. But I not accept in there. So my family and my friend recommended this campus and the urban planning major. It's my first how I know and when I know the urban planning. Maybe you have a question?
My question is, where did you choose urban planning as your major?
Why I choose the urban planning is like I said that urban planning is not my first choice because when I want to continue my college, I think I want in engineering electrical. This is in UNY, but UNY not accept me as a student. So like I say, my friend, my family recommended this campus. This is Amikom Yogyakarta. So I search information about this campus and I find the majority this is urban plan. So I think I have interest in this urban planning. I search what is urban planning, what will we study or learn in there. So why I choose because I have interest in the
City.
majority. Yes.
And you?
And for me, why I choose urban planning for my major, because when I was to get a campus, I choose urban planning because the urban planning is different for me, and I got interesting with urban planning. It's like that.
My answer is I choose urban planning because I interested of city, because in like people living in here inside city, and any problem in city like this.
Oh, so you like how to analyze the city?
Yes.
There.
Yes.
I know. Maybe you have a question for us.
And for me, before you are collect, what did you think about urban planning? Gitu?
You first say.
Before continue my college, I don't know nothing about urban planning. I know urban planning after I want to continue my college study, and in my first thing about urban planning is we learn to plan about the city or the country. In my first impression about this urban planning, but after I search about urban planning, I know urban planning is so complicated. Like it's about how we can analyze the city, how we can problem solving the disaster, the problem in the city. Maybe we learn about geography, about economy, about social, and yeah, it's so. There are many things we can learn in urban planning from me.
How
Yes,
about
yes, it. Before college, I thought urban planning is only about maps and building because it's like answer Mas Faiz. Urban planning is so complex college. Yes, my answer only you. And you?
And for me, before college, urban planning in my mind just like planning some plan for city to make a future more better than this. Just like that before I college.
So maybe I have a question for you. What the most surprising when you start study in urban planning? So maybe what's your main shock after you start studying in urban planning?
Yeah, just like what I'm saying before I college kan urban planning is just like making plan for a city, but when I was get joined to the college, I think urban planning more complex than this. Like you must know how now condition
Like how the condition of the
existing
location
now,
existing,
and
you analyze.
you analyze and you make more complex.
You so the thing make you surprised is urban planning is so complex to be
Yeah,
learned.
complex than just planning. More
It's not
complex.
just a plan,
Yes,
but
not
it's
just a plan.
more than
Yes, more than complex.
In my answer is urban planning is no only design because environment, social and buildings because not only design in urban planning.
also the surprising thing is first time you think urban planning is just about design,
Yes.
but after you join in urban planning you shock because urban planning is not just about
Yes.
design. It's
Too many
so
complex
many things, complex like
Yes,
much
Raffi
complex.
say.
Yeah.
Very about the complex we learn in there.
And my question, what is hard to adapt a learning system to adapt in learning in urban planning?
Maybe you can answer first.
Maybe for me the most hard to adapt is like how we communicate with other person, how we go team working with other person. Cause in the urban planning not just only you in the project, but
Not
it is
individual.
yes not individual, but this is like a group
Yes.
team working.
Teamwork.
Yes, you must go a good communication inside. Yes, like that.
Maybe for me, what is the hard adapter for the learning system I think about in urban planning? I learn a new things,
Skill.
new skill, new things. This is like leadership and communication. Actually, I am an introvert man,
Yeah.
but yes, but in urban planning, I must out from my comfort zone. So I must learn about how to speak with other
Other
people,
people.
how to present my project in front of audience. So the communication skill and the presentation skill is very important. So so I must be adaptation with these things. It's one of the hard things I do in urban planning.
Next question.
And for me, the question is, what is the biggest challenge that you studying in urban planning?
You.
Maybe the biggest challenge is one of, like I said, this is a communication skill. Because in urban planning, communication skill is very important. We must tell what is our plan to audience, to social, and I think the biggest challenge is teamwork. Because in teamwork, we know not all people same thing with now, but they are so different. So I learned how to lead the team, how to make it other people in one purpose with us. I think is the biggest challenge in urban planning is how to lead the team and how to speaking in public.
Yeah.
I think it's true.
And
How about
my biggest challenge is time, because managing time in urban planning is so important. Because too many deadline
Oh yeah.
and yes, too many deadline.
Yes, yeah, I'm agree with Mada, cause time managing is important
Yes.
for we all student lah.
All student urban
Because
planning.
if we not good in time managing, we have deadline for homework that
Yes.
must be complete.
So you, Mada and Raffi have a concern with time management in
Yes.
this. So it's you think is management is so hard
Yes.
in this majority.
Yes, cause not only one task, but we have many much tasks that have a deadline. Gitu.
Oh yeah, I know. You have a question?
If has studying urban planning, what chance you see when you see cities? What you think about cities?
After
The,
I joined to urban planning, the how I see city is a different before I know urban planning. Before I know urban planning, I just know city is a place
place
how we can do many
Activity.
activity. We buy something, we riding and do anything activity in the city. But after I join in urban planning, I have a different see in the city because now I know about city is so complicated. There are so many things we can learn in there. Like I can say about in city we can know about drainage systems, sanitation systems, transportation system, and in city must we have a problem. So we learn about how to problem solving the city's problem. I think.
And my answer is I see city as so critically because inside cities have a problem like a disaster, like a flood.
Oh yeah, flood I know.
Yes, flood. Yes, more critically lah.
Yeah, about
When I say city in
so you see the city from the point of view disaster.
yes,
So there are many disaster in the city,
yes,
but in other city is a different disaster.
yes,
This is like maybe tsunami, maybe you say flood,
yes.
maybe storm.
Earthquake.
Yes, like it. How about you?
And for me, before I go in urban planning, I see a city is like a more beautiful, more futuristic, better than in the village, like more futuristic with their infrastructure and all of them. But behind of the city, they have a system that more complex and more connection for the system.
Oh,
Like the system must
System
be
connected.
got connected and got better to make the city like now, like futuristic like now.
So how you see city after and before you know about urban planning is different.
Yeah, yeah, more complex lah. Not about beautiful, but in the behind of the beautiful is more complex.
It's just about the cover, like
Yeah.
maybe continue the question.
For me, what do you think about urban planning? Have a responsibility of a society.
You or me?
Me. Because youth knowledge can help quality of people lives. Because of mitigation of disaster,
Yeah.
like this, and adding my answer.
Maybe for me, yeah, urban planning is have a responsibility of society because before we take a decision,
Yeah,
we must have communication with
user.
other people,
Yeah,
with user, with other people live in the city. Like if you have something planned,
Yeah,
we must communication with the people
Audience.
use, yes, like audience, people use in the what we will plan. Like we for example, I have a plan to make a station, but I must be to plan my plan to discussion with the other people how my plan how other people's opinion about my plan, so the opinions can support or suggest me maybe is my plan is a good or not good. Maybe I can make it a better lah. Yeah, make it better. So yeah, I think I have urban planning have a responsibility of society because yeah, if we have a plan, we need take a decision. It must be to communication with other people.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Next question. Me, what do you hope to after you graduate in urban planning?
You or me?
About your future.
My future.
Your
Oh,
first.
yeah. Okay. Maybe after graduate from urban planning, as a first time, I hope I can work in a government company, especially in PUPR.
PUPR. Oh,
Yes,
yeah.
in PUPR because yeah, I have also many hope after I graduate. Why I choose PUPR? Because PUPR is one of the government company. If I work in there, so I hope I can get a good salary.
Yeah.
Maybe I hope in my first experience for first job, I hope in 7 until 10 million in my first job, yeah. Yeah, maybe it can up with my skill,
Yeah.
and after graduate I hope yeah, I want to work just in maybe in Central Java, especially in Klaten, because Klaten is my home. So yeah, I want to build my country better than now because I see so many problem or so many things must be fixed after I graduate. So I want to be one of the people can make my city better from now. Maybe from
You same like in your answer. When work in government sector, help plan a cities of public. I want to work in BUMN. Like work in land use analyst and surveyor like this because the salary is 10 or 20 millions because to support my
lifestyle. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Support your lifestyle.
yes support my lifestyle, yes, like this. And you?
For me, for the future, I have a big dream that it must have a relate with urban planning. Like I want to have a company, my company that especially in urban designing sector, like building in the public
Space.
public space or something like that. But before I get my company, I must go to the working in maybe like private company that they must connected with urban design. Like that.
Oh, so before you have a dream to make a personal company, but
Personal company.
before you make it or build it, you need experience.
Yeah, you
for
need
it.
experience and experience that I got when I working with someone.
Maybe I have a question. Continues this question of before.
Yeah, but
Maybe between government company or private company, what will you choose?
for me, maybe I choose in a private company that it have a longer time, not too much time in the outside. So I can learning something new in the outside of the working.
About you, Mada.
Same Raffi, because I have learning about this private and outside, and I create a private company.
Right.
I create it. I create.
So
And you?
maybe for me, like I said, I want to work in BUMN. This is a government, like I said before. I don't have a plan to work in a private company, but also in private company have a chance to get a high salary between government company. Maybe if I work in private company, I can get a higher salary than government. But I think I want to government because it's one of my first hope and my dream to work in PUPR. My hope, it is my biggest dream lah. I think to work in. And if not be work in PUPR, maybe I want to option like work as an consultant of building of a city or of economic. Maybe it can my choice.
Yes. Next.
Question to
Last question.
ada.
I think what skills do you think important after graduation? The skill is important after
The
graduation.
skill, the important skill lah after graduation.
Yes.
The most
Uh,
maybe I said again and again the important is communication skill to other people. This is not cannot yeah is the skill is very important. It's not we can see other people of urban planning must be can speak in front of audience. Yes, because and not just this, the skill important of after graduate. We must can thinking critically. We must can think how to solve the problems, how we can analyze the city, how we can analyze the place, the land use, the drainage, the sanitation in the city. Yeah, dari if we talk about the important skill, I think is so many skill we learn, and all thing we learn in urban planning is very important for after graduate.
Your answer?
Maybe
Okay.
You have,
for me, skill that important for after graduation ya same like revise, and then maybe for me like you must need to have a skill that analytical of data, because we plan based on data that you use, yeah like that.
So we must search data like
Yeah.
primary or secondary to make it plan.
Yeah.
You?
And I because like you improve your answer like problem solving and analyzing data. Yes.
Oh,
That's
so
it.
we have some same thing lah.
Yes.
Okay.
And the last.
Maybe I think is the last one question
Question.
for me. It's not for me, but it's for us.
For us.
Maybe
What is that?
you can say in one sense, what does urban planning mean to you?
I mean urban planning means creating better cities for everyone, because us planning to people and authenicities to like green place like this and better lah.
So your one sentence is urban planning means creating better for
Better
everyone.
place. Yes, better place for everyone.
Oh yeah. How about you, Rafi?
For me, urban planning like making some urban to get a better than like this, and then have a sustainable from the future. It's like that. And how about you?
About me is urban planning is not just about map, just is about how we can planning the cities to be better for the living. I think is maybe it's enough for our podcast. And I want to say thank you for everyone see our podcast. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel video. Thank you.